Hello guys, welcome to Song Smith Videos. Today we are going to be seeing what's going on in these tide thingies. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pop the blue part and see what happens.
So you should get the safety glasses. Do not eat it, Sahil.
Oh, it's oozy. Do not eat this. It's blue and oozy, and we can get a bigger pile.
You can go wash your hands.
Okay, I'm popping open the green one. White now. This is so satisfying. Now should we flip it over? Only try this with parental guidance. We want the green to come out.
I'm scared it's from the bottom.
I didn't think it would ooze like this. I thought it would. It's oozy. And it smells good. So I guess if we add baking soda to this, it will
Explode?
It won't explode. It will, well, make it smell good.
It already smells good.
Well,
Wait, pick it up. Look what's at the bottom.
ooh, blue stuff. How is it more blue stuff than green stuff? What is this green stuff? It's not even coming out. Well, Pop, this is kind of fun. Okay, thank you for watching today. This was a fun experiment. Apparently it doesn't sprout out, it oozes. Bye.